star. The 52-year-old Grammy winner, whose real name is Robert Kelly, stood with his hands behind his back. To the judge, John Fitzgerald Like Jr., he said, "How are you?" After a hearing which featured graphic accounts of the alleged incidents, bail was set at $1 million. Kelly's attorney, Steve Greenberg, said his client was not a flight risk and referred to the hit song "I Believe I Can Fly" when he told the judge, contrary to the song, Mr. Kelly doesn't like to fly. The bond requires Kelly to post $100,000 in order to be released. Kelly has consistently denied any sexual misconduct. His appearance in court came after the counts were unsealed on Friday. Cook County State's Attorney Kim Foxx said the charges dated back as far as 1998 and spanned more than a decade. Those present in a packed courtroom included at least 2 women directly connected to the charges and family members of 2 women who, it is claimed, may be living with the singer as sexual slaves. The court heard disturbing details of the charges against Kelly. They included the case of a hairdresser who was 24 at the time of an alleged attack in which Kelly is alleged to have choked and spat on her while engaged in oral and vaginal sex. Another alleged victim was 14 at the time of her alleged attack. Another said she met Kelly at the singer's trial on child pornography charges in 2008. R. Kelly's booking photo from the Chicago Police Department on the 23rd of February. Photographed AFP, Getty Images in 2002, a tape prosecutors said showed Kelly having sex with a girl estimated to have been as young as 13 formed the basis of a 14-count indictment. 6 years later, a Cook County jury acquitted him. Kelly did not respond to questions from reporters as he was booked on Friday. Greenberg told reporters then charges tied to the 2008 should be discounted due to double jeopardy. He won that case. Kelly was hit with new accusations on Friday when Michael Avenatti, the lawyer known for representing the Donald Trump accuser Stormy Daniels, offered a detailed account of a separate VHS tape that allegedly shows Kelly assaulting a 14-year-old girl. According to Avenatti, the 40-minute tape shows Kelly assaulting the teen at his residence sometime in the late 1990s. It allegedly contains 2 scenes shot on separate days. This tape leaves no question as to whether R. Kelly is guilty of multiple sexual illegal acts against a 14-year-old girl, Avenatti said, adding that he represents 6 clients, including 2 alleged victims, 2 parents and 2 people he described as being in Kelly's inner circle. Avenatti said it was clear, from the video, that the singer had the victim watch another piece of pornography, which appears to be him with yet another young girl. Avenatti said he was aware of at least 2 other tapes, one of which had been handed to authorities. He accused Kelly of swaying his 2008 trial, through threats and intimidation of witnesses, among other things. This trial was rigged in 2008, make no mistake about it, Avenatti said. Kelly's lawyer denied any knowledge of a new tape. "I don't know what the tape is," Greenberg said. "We haven't seen it. No one's showed us the tape." He also said he thought, "All the women are lying." Yes. This has become, "Hey, I can say R. Kelly did something, boom. Oh, I met R. Kelly once, he looked at me the wrong way, boom, money." Kelly's arrest sets the stage for another. Last year, Bill Cosby was convicted after several women testified the comedian drugged and assaulted them. Former Hollywood studio boss Harvey Weinstein is awaiting trial on charges of rape and assault. The new charges against Kelly carry up to 7 years in prison. If found guilty, the singer could receive up to 70 years behind bars. The charges follow the release of a BBC documentary last year and the multi-part Lifetime documentary Surviving R. Kelly, which aired last month. A social media movement using the hashtag. In January, Lady Gaga apologized for working with Kelly and promised to remove their duet, "Do What You Want," from streaming services. Gaga called stories about Kelly's alleged sexual predation horrifying and indefensible, adding, "I stand behind these women 1000%. On Thursday, 2 women held a news conference in New York to allege Kelly picked them out of a crowd at a Baltimore after-party in 1995, when they were underage. The women, Latrice Scaff, 40, and Rochelle Washington, 39, claim Kelly had sex with Scaff when she was under the influence of marijuana and alcohol. Their attorney, Gloria Allred, described Kelly as a sexual predator. The barrage of charges and claims against Kelly almost certainly bring his career to a close. Since breaking onto the R, but his hits were always accompanied by rumors about his behavior. He faced allegations that when he was 27 he married 15-year-old Aaliyah, and R. Kelly was lead songwriter and producer of Aaliyah's